The adventure of the Punctuation Heroes. In the heart of the grammar kingdom, where words and sentences lived harmoniously, an ancient prophecy foretold of a time when chaos would threaten the land. The wise King Sentence, ruler of this linguistically diverse realm, knew that the prophecy was no mere legend. He sensed a disturbance, an impending threat that loomed over the kingdom. The villainous run-on Sentence, banished long ago for his disruptive tendencies, had returned, seeking to unleash disorder by erasing punctuation and making every sentence a tangled mess. To combat this menace, King Sentence called upon the Punctuation Heroes, comma, period, question mark, and exclamation point. These four guardians, each with unique powers, were tasked with maintaining order and clarity in the kingdom. Comma, with his ability to create pauses and list items, was the first to step forward. He was nimble and quick, always ready to slip into the tightest spaces to ensure proper separation of ideas. Period, the steadfast and resolute leader, brought closure and finality to thoughts, ensuring that sentences ended with certainty. Question mark, ever curious and inquisitive, had the power to turn statements into queries, promoting dialogue and understanding. Exclamation point, the boldest of them all, added emphasis and emotion, energizing the words around him. Together, they formed a formidable team, ready to face any challenge. Their first mission was to track down Run-on Sentence, who had been spotted in the chaotic lands of Fragment Forest, a place where incomplete thoughts wandered aimlessly. As the Punctuation Heroes ventured into Fragment Forest, they encountered a series of obstacles designed to test their skills. Sentences were chopped and scattered, leaving thoughts half-formed and confusing. Comma darted between words, creating much-needed pauses and lists, restoring coherence to the disjointed phrases. Period worked tirelessly, bringing a sense of closure to each fragment, ensuring that ideas were fully expressed. Question mark engaged with the wandering words, asking probing questions to help complete their thoughts. Exclamation point, with his boundless energy, rallied the fragmented sentences, infusing them with purpose and clarity. Slowly but surely, the forest began to transform from a place of confusion to one of order. However, Run-on Sentence was nowhere to be found. The heroes realized that their journey was far from over. They needed to venture deeper into the heart of the grammar kingdom. Their next destination was the plains of paragraphs, where entire sections of text had fallen under Run-on Sentence's spell, stretching endlessly without a break. Here, the Punctuation Heroes faced their greatest challenge yet. Sentences ran on and on, merging into one another, creating a labyrinth of words that was nearly impossible to navigate. Comma and period worked in tandem, strategically placing pauses and full stops to break the endless flow. Question mark, with her sharp insight, identified the key points that needed clarification, while exclamation point added urgency and emphasis where needed. As they toiled, they began to sense Run-on Sentence's presence, growing stronger. They followed the trail of chaotic text to a towering citadel made entirely of convoluted sentences. Inside, they found Run-on Sentence, reveling in the disorder he had created.